From Friday's assembly
to sports,
we've got the scoop. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Ready? Begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning. Welcome back to another week of school. I hope everyone had a good weekend.
Today is Monday, February 3rd, 2020, but Dr. Swanson couldn't make it this morning for his regular principal's corner. We'll catch up with him next time.
But let's talk about last Friday for a second. Was that an amazing assembly or what? The cheer team, the soccer teams, and basketball teams.
It was amazing that the Inside Scoop had two reporters there to cover all the action. Here's Alexis, Valencia, and Brianna Orozco to show you all.
Thanks, Brisa and Marilyn. Here's some footage of the assembly that we had on Friday, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Back to you, anchors.
Thanks, Alexis and Brianna. Moving on to our news today. We want to remind you that today is the last day to purchase your winter formal tickets. They're $20 with an ASB card and $40 without. Remember that you need a signed permission slip before purchasing a ticket.
The dance will be taking place on Friday, February 7th at Orange County Mining Company. The time is 7 through 11 p.m. Make sure to not miss out.
Another thing that is coming up that is very exciting is Mr. and Mrs. Century. Senior applications are still available and are still being taken. Please make sure to get an application from Mr. Rodabaugh in room 423.
Keep in mind that winners for Mrs. Century and Mr. Century will be each receiving one free prom ticket and one free grad night ticket and much more.
Sounds like fun, huh, Marilyn?
Yeah, it does. Too bad we aren't seniors.
Don't worry, girls basketball has you covered. This year, girls basketball are proud to host a special giveaway. The requirements are you must be a junior or senior, freshmen and sophomores, and you must attend the girls' basketball game during senior night, since that's when the winners are going to be announced.
Wow. What are the prizes?
Seniors are eligible for a grad night ticket and 2 prom tickets, and juniors are eligible for 2 prom tickets.
Sounds great. I'll make sure to go and cheer you guys on. Talking about cheering on, are you a sports fan? Well, now it's time to show your team's support with a custom-made neon sign of your favorite team logo. Mr. Bush is selling these incredible LED edge lit signs for just $20 each. That's right, just $20 to show your team's spirit or buy one as a gift for your family or sports fan. Baseball season is quickly approaching, and what a better way to show your Dodgers or Angels pride. Or maybe you want to show your solidarity with the Lakers after the tragic event with Kobe Bryant. Whatever your team, Mr. Bush either has it or can make it. Larger custom-made signs are possible too. See Mr. Bush in room 427 or on the display case in the hall outside room 427 for more example signs.
Attention all students, Pre-Corps is returning to Century on Thursday, February 20th. Do you need community service hours? Are you interested in the legal system? Do you want to know what it's like serving on a jury? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then sign up today for Pre-Court. Pre-Court will occur Thursday, February 20th in our library beginning at 2:30. All participating students earn 2 hours of community service and get to help someone who has made a big mistake to help get their life back on the right path. Interested students must sign up with Mr. Overson in room 500-201. Space is limited, so sign up today with Mr. Overson. Last thing before we get into some sports news, make sure to join ASB and the counselors this week as they recognize We Care Week. There will be activities and resources to help discuss self-care, suicide prevention, and meditation. They will also help you learn how to look for warning signs in order to help those you care about.
Now on to some sports. Freshman boys and girls basketball have a home game against Savannah High School today. Make sure to come cheer them on right after school.
Boys soccer also has a game today, and they play home, and the varsity team is going to be having their senior night because it's the last home game for a regular season, so go cheer them on.
Both girls and boys varsity basketball have a away game against Savannah, and if you can make sure to cheer them on since it's going to be a very important game for them.
And lastly, JV and varsity girls soccer have an away game as well as Savannah. That's all the news we have for you today.
Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.